Hi everyone, welcome to our special webinar. So I'm really excited to have all of you here today. So we'll be talking about one of our most popular plugins, and that is WP Cafe. So WP Cafe is basically an all-in-one restaurant management plugin for WordPress. So it helps restaurant owners to manage their food menus, then to manage their reservations, to handle their online orders, and much, much more, and all in one place. So over the time, it's become one of the most and one of the top choices for restaurant websites, and we've been building it for more than 5 years right now. And today's session is a bit extra special because we have two amazing guests with us, and one of them is Afila Fetos, and she is the team lead for WP Cafe. And the another guest we have here today is Ashikur Rahman. He is the front-end developer for WP Cafe. So both of them are the core contributors of this plugin, and they have played a very big role in the latest revamp of this plugin. So we're really lucky to have them here today. So let's see what they have to say. So we're here today to share their insights and show you what's new in WP Cafe. So I'd like to start off this session with Mafila Fettos. So if it will be better, so if she could like share a bit about WP Cafe, what it is, why we decided to make such a big change recently. So let's welcome Mafila Fettos.
Thank you, Ashik. WP Cafe 3 is not just an update, it's a complete transformation of how the plugin works. Our earlier versions were built mainly with PHP and server side Ajax, which served us well for a while, but as we added more features, it started to feel limited in terms of speed and flexibility. We decided to enhance it with React and made it REST API based. This change makes the plugin much faster, smoother, and more responsive. It now feels like a true modern web app inside WordPress. And along with this rebuild, we have introduced some exciting new features like branch management, manage multiple restaurant locations from one dashboard, time based product, set menus that change automatically by time of day, advanced reservation form customization, create and style booking forms exactly how you want without touching the code. Overall, WP Cafe 3 is faster, cleaner, and much more flexible, built to scale and built for the future of restaurant websites. Now, to walk you through these amazing features, I will handle it over to my teammate Ashikur Rahman. Please continue, Ashik.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Pradeep, for the great introduction. So, I'll, I'll be presenting you the WP Cafe to show you how it's easy to set up your restaurant business using WP Cafe. So, once you activate the plugin, it will navigate you to this onboarding page where it will ask you some basic information about your restaurant. First, yeah, it will ask you the restaurant type. There are basically two types of restaurant, which is food ordering and this reservation. So food ordering is you are enabling customers to come to your website and take place some food orders. You are basically managing the menus, the time-based menu. We are offering the whole power management uh, from the plugin, and the reservation is you are accepting reservations, you're enabling, you're letting your customers book or to reserve a seat in advance. You are providing a form, you have the full control over the form, and you can customize the form as how you want to be. So to enable those features, we have to check these two boxes. Basically, it depends on the business requirement of your restaurant. So after that, you can see there are restaurant name. You can give the restaurant name, restaurant locations. You can type the locations like I am typing. Okay. So once you enter the address, it will show you the address in the Google Map. Also, you can adjust the address by the latitude and longitude and some contact information. So I'm clicking on continue. Okay, so here this page is the weekly schedule of your restaurant. you can define the operating hours of your restaurant. You can define the start time and the end time from here, and you can also define the opening days of a week. You can turn toggle it on to make it open within that specific day, and you can toggle it off to mark it close. Okay, so I'm keeping as it is. It's fine for me. So once you have checked that restaurant type online ordering, so this option will show you for that. And here you can see you can have different features like tipping, menu card settings. You can enable the tipping section, which will offer customer to give some tip to you. You can have the mini cart settings. Basically, it's a feature which gives customer a quicker checkout process. It's basically makes the checkout process a lot more easier and intuitive. It's basically a widget, and there you can also accept the pickup and delivery for your restaurant. You can define the fields, how much order it needs to have a pickup. I'm giving it minimum one order, and minimum preparation time, let's say I'm giving it 30 minutes. Basically, these are the information it will show you once you have a pickup or delivery type order. So I'm clicking on continue. So you have also checked the reservation type. So that's why it's showing you that screen. And over this screen, you can see different types of settings we are offering you, which is advanced reservation, early booking time limit, reservation status. So advanced reservation, what it's self-explanatory. You can take advanced reservation, let's say 30 minutes or hours, days. You can choose whatever you want, and same goes to the early booking time limit. And reservation status is basically when a customer book a reservation in your website, this status will be applied by default. And the block time slot statuses are the status which basically blocks whenever a customer book a reservation, and whenever another customer want to book the same slot, it will block you. You are defining which status is blocking that slot. So it's basically preventing you to overbook or overlap bookings. So this is for that control. Okay. So minimum guest, maximum guest, you can define that also. And we have the seat capacity. You can define how much seat you are offering in your restaurant. And the booking amount is the charge amount you are going to charge per reservation. And this checkbox says multiply amount by number of guests, means how much guests are coming to your coming for the reservation. This amount is multiplied by that count. So if the guest amount is 3, then 3 multiplied by 12, it will be multiplied by that. So also you can enable the visual table layout in your restaurant business, which is basically a feature where you can add multiple tables, design the layout of your restaurant, the seats of your restaurant, to give to enable your customer to book reservation through online without going to that restaurant. They will have a visual table layout to select the seats and book the seat for a reservation. So I will show you later. So I am clicking on continue, and it's telling you that WooCommerce. Basically, our whole plugin is based powered by WooCommerce. Basically, you are selling the food items which is added in WooCommerce. You will be manage your orders and your food items through WooCommerce. We are streamlining the process through our plugin to make it easier for you. So as I have already installed and activated, it's showing a check mark. So I can click continue. Voila. So you have the setup done. It's saying congratulations, and some guidance which will help you to understand WP Cafe much better. So I will recommend you to read and see these guide videos. So I'm going to the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard. As I have already some data to better explain you, show you how it will look with some data in the dashboard. So this is basically the information powerhouse of your whole business. You can see the total revenue of your restaurant, and it will also break down those revenue, and you can see the total customers, total online orders, reservations, and the food orders. You can also see the reservation list and the top sales, and you can filter this data from the date date and time. You can apply date and time filter, and the next, the food menu. This is where you can add the food for your restaurant business. You can manage the whole thing through e-commerce. So if you click on here, okay, so it's navigated you to this products page of e-commerce. You can add products. So I have already added the products to save some time. You can add products from here, and you can see the live orders from this section. So basically, whenever a customer places an order, it will show you here in this panel live. Okay, so I'm getting back to the plugin. Okay, so next is discount. So you can create a discount, and there is a time-based product where you can create time-based menus which will be automatically changed. Basically, a time-based product is something like, let's say you want to show different foods for breakfast, different food menu for the lunch and the dinner. So you can control, or you can create the whole menu, which will show and change automatically in your website from here. So here you can set different menu like breakfast. Sorry, spelling mistake. So I will show the product, and the rule is I will show today, this day, and I will select the product category from here. So you can see the product category is equal to, I will select the product categories from here and create new, and it's done. And this will show you the food item in the front end. So so that's how you can create a time-based product. Same goes thing like same thing goes to the discount module. You can create a discount from here, and this discount will apply in the front end. And in the reservation list, you can see the reservations people have made through your website. You can change the statuses, and you can see the reservation details in from here, and you can also see the order details from here. If you click on that, it will take you to this order details page of e-commerce, and basically you can do the whole thing as you want to do. Okay, so let's come to the settings section. We have bring a lots of change in settings. You can define the primary color, secondary color, the calendar language, the location settings of in your website. Basically, we will show a location picker, which is which you, when you select the location, it will set the whole context of for the customer for that specific location of your restaurant. I will show you in the demo. uh, then there is the food menu. There is the pickup and delivery option. These are the data we already set up in the onboarding process. So you can see the onboarding is much more guided and user friendly, so that in some easy step you can achieve what you want. So in the mini card here, you can see different style of mini card. You can change the mini card, and you can change the icon also. So I have already uploaded a white icon so that it can match with the theme. And you can also add the tipping to the customer. You can add fixed amount of tipping or percentage amount of tipping, which will apply to the total order amount. And the live notification section, here you can change the live notification sound, and you can also change you can also define the repetition sound until you close that notification. So it will keep repeating the sound so that you can see hey, there is an order, new order, you have to take care of it. So, and then reservation rules. So in reservation rules, you can see the things we have already configured in onboarding. Those things are here. So that's okay. So let's see customization. So this whole new thing we have introduced in the Cafe version 3, where you can customize your form, you can add a new step, you can delete that, and you can have the full control of your form. You can show the uh, location select drop down, which will tell user to select the location of the branch of the restaurant where he want to reserve, or you want to make a reservation, which location or which branch user want to make a reservation. And there are some fields which are mandatory, like date and the start time of reservation. And also you can add custom field. I am taking a custom field, like suppose drop down. Yes. So basically, I am asking user that do you have pets? Okay. So I'm clicking on click, saving the changes. Okay. So that's how you can customize the form, and you can see that form in the reservation page. Basically, we are giving a shortcode. You can find that shortcode from here, from the shortcode section. In the restaurant reservation tab, you can generate the shortcode. You can have the styling as per your preference, and click on generate to uh, generate the shortcut and paste it to a page and publish that page. The, After that, you can see you will be able to see this kind of form and refreshing the page. Okay, so it's asking for the location, so I am selecting the location. Okay, so here you can, from here you can select the location and the booking date. uh, so then start time, and these are the table layout which we have defined in the admin. I have already configured that in the admin. I will show you. Let me make a reservation. You can also choose the food order, so I am keeping them as it is. And yeah, you can see the custom input field, custom field we have added. You can check that, yes, and submit the reservation. That's it. So that's how it's easy to have a reservation, and you can see that reservation details from the reservation list. I'm refreshing it. That's it. I recently have a reservation which is by confirm. Okay, so next, which is food ordering. So if you want to enable food ordering from your restaurant, you can, which is very easy. You have already set up your food items and the necessary settings, necessary modules, which is turned on, you can see. So then you have to do is create a shortcut from here. There are different kinds of shortcut which is available. You can choose any shortcut to match the style of your business website. So I'm grabbing that. You can generate shortcut from here. You can choose the category, food category you want to show in that shortcut, and choosing that. And then you can show the description limit. Basically, it's give you full control. There are different kind of styles you can apply. There are also some template like food menu tab. You can explore later on, and click on generate to copy, and you can copy and paste this shortcode any pages of your website, and after pasting that and publishing that page, it will show you this type of page, which is basically showing you that food menu. We already selected the location for the reservation, that's why it's not asking it again. Okay, so you can see the food menu tab, it's showing different food menus. And basically now customer will come to your website and explore the food menus, click on the add to cart button, and this will add that item to the menu. And you can choose pick up and delivery, and or you can go directly to the checkout page. Okay, so this is the checkout page. Here you can fill up the billing address. I am keeping as it is, and I am placing an order. Okay, so we have completed an order. So if we go to the order page, order number 204, and we come here. Okay, so here you can see there this is the order you have placed 27 seconds ago, and you can manage the status from the order of the order here. Also, if you can see that order from here also, you can see that the revenue is increased, and you can also see the order from here. So overall the system is totally synced with both front end and back end. There are a lot more features which also helps you to streamline your business. If I mention them, like QR code, you can generate QR code. So you can give it a table name, like suppose I have table 01, and you can give the page URL. Basically, this is the URL which user uh, scans and place create some order for your restaurant. So suppose I am giving this link. Let's say you want take reservation. You can create this QR code, and now what you have to do, you have to print this QR code and show it in your table, and a customer can easily book or place or food orders for your restaurant. So that's how it works. And there are some other integrations, which is Fluencer and Zapier. Probably we are giving a full control so that any data does not miss from the eye of the business admin. And so yeah, that's it. And you can also, okay, I forgot one thing. You can also define the table layout. Earlier I have shown you in the form that you can add different kinds of seats. You can insert seat. I have already showed you the seat capacity 100, so this is showing you that. And you can insert new seat, and you can drag and drop, and you can do everything you want. You can customize the form, so everything is linked up. So that's how it's easy. That's how you can set up your whole restaurant business using WP Cafe. So yeah, thank you. And if you have any question, you can definitely.
Wow, Ashoka, what a wonderful walkthrough. Thank you so much. I really love the design. The UI is so amazing, and I'm pretty sure that our users will love the UI as well. It's always great to see the product live in action. Okay, now before we wrap up, I have one last question to Nafila. So, Nafila, can you please share with us what's next for WP Cafe? So, like, are there any exciting new upcoming features or improvements that our users can look forward to?
Yes, absolutely. We are really excited about what's coming next for WP Cafe. As you can see, we have prepared our roadmap. Our goal now is to make the plugin even smarter, more connected, and easier to manage for restaurant owners and their teams. We are working on AI integration to help automate menu setup, optimize reservations, and even provide personalized recommendations. We are also adding Stripe and PayPal integrations so restaurants can accept payments directly through the reservation or ordering system. Another big improvement is a custom template. Here you can see custom template that is for WooCommerce variable products, giving restaurants full control over how food variations like portion sizes or flavors appear on the front end. And finally, we are introducing that front end restaurant management, which allows staff to manage orders, reservations, and menus right from the front end without accessing the WordPress dashboard. So, yes, a lot of exciting updates are on the way, and we can't wait to share them with our users soon. Thank you, Ashik.
Thank you so much, Nafila, and thank you so much, Ashikur Rahman, for your time and for sharing all the insights about WP Cafe. I really liked our new product, WP Cafe, and it's, at least to me, it's really amazing to use. It's really simple, really easy, and the UI, we love it. And I'm pretty much sure our users gonna love the UI as much as we do. So yeah, and of course, thanks to everyone who have joined with us today. We hope that you have found this session at least a little bit of helpful, and you guys got a clear idea about the new improved about the improvements that we have made to our this plugin WP Cafe. And if you guys have any question, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. We'll be checking all the questions, and definitely we will be answering to all of your questions in the comments below. So don't worry about that. Whatever comes up to your mind, just put them down in the comments. We'll definitely answer them. Okay, so that's all for today's webinar, and thank you both of our guests, and thank you all of you guys who have joined with us. We'll definitely have more webinars like this in the upcoming future. So yeah, that's it for today. So have a great day, guys. Bye bye.